Think about the data your company generates every minute. User clicks, server logs, and transactions pouring in at a scale demanding massive processing power. For most enterprises operating at this velocity, the choice comes down to two elite cloud-native platforms, Snowflake and Google BigQuery. It's a common misconception that this choice is about raw speed. Both platforms are exceptionally fast, and which one wins a race depends entirely on your specific query patterns. The real decision hinges on two completely different approaches to compute management and how those resources show up on your monthly bill. At the same time, you have to weigh the importance of cloud flexibility against the benefits of a deeply integrated single-provider ecosystem. This chart maps out our two primary evaluation metrics: how predictable your workloads are on the vertical axis, and your preference for a single or multi-cloud strategy on the horizontal axis. Selecting a platform is a long-term commitment to a specific infrastructure philosophy, one that will dictate your team's engineering agility for years to come. To understand the capabilities of a data warehouse, we have to look at the physical landscape where it lives. Snowflake uses a cloud-agnostic architecture, meaning you can deploy it across AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. This gives enterprise architects the strategic freedom to run a multi-cloud environment, ensuring they never become overly dependent on a single provider. Google BigQuery takes the opposite path. It is a native service built strictly for the Google Cloud platform. This native design allows BigQuery to operate as a serverless environment. The platform handles the underlying infrastructure automatically, without provisioning a single server. Snowflake also offers a managed experience, but requires your team to actively configure and size virtual warehouses, the specific compute clusters running your queries. It's a classic trade-off. Snowflake offers strategic independence at the price of active management, while BigQuery provides zero-maintenance simplicity in exchange for ecosystem lock-in. These architectural choices lead directly to different financial realities. For most data teams, unpredictable compute costs are the biggest source of stress. BigQuery addresses this with a pay-per-query model, billing strictly for data scanned. The cost counter only moves during an active query. For bursty workloads, this is a major advantage. During idle periods, your compute cost is strictly zero. However, if your organization scales into massive 24/7 data processing, paying for every individual query can become significantly more expensive than other options. Snowflake completely separates storage from compute costs, allowing you to scale processing power without affecting stored data. Here, you use those virtual warehouses, dedicated compute resources sized for the task, providing steady, predictable performance. This model is often more economical for teams with steady-state workloads. When you have queries running around the clock, dedicated resources offer more price stability than paying by the gigabyte. Choosing the wrong model for your specific data habits is the fastest way to see your monthly cloud bill inflate unnecessarily. Today's data warehouses function as the primary engines for artificial intelligence and advanced analytics, moving beyond their traditional role as storage repositories. Google emphasizes this with BigQuery ML, which is built directly into the warehouse and connected to the wider Google AI ecosystem. This setup creates a highly efficient workflow. Data scientists can build and train machine learning models using standard SQL without ever having to move data out of the warehouse. Snowflake has invested heavily in its own AI and machine learning features recently to close the gap and provide more native tools for data scientists. Even with those expansions, BigQuery remains the more mature option for integration. For teams already using Google's machine learning suite, the lack of friction is hard to beat. The trade-off is clear. Utilizing BigQuery's seamless ML environment requires you to keep your data science workflows firmly within the Google ecosystem. There is no universal winner between these two. The right choice depends on the specific DNA of your organization. We can simplify the decision into a framework, starting with this question. Is your organization already standardized on the Google Cloud platform? If you are already deeply committed to Google Cloud, you align with the BigQuery profile. This path is for teams wanting a zero-maintenance experience, native machine learning, and with unpredictable workloads where paying per query is most cost-effective. If you require a multi-cloud strategy to avoid lock-in, the next question is whether your analytical workloads are steady and predictable. This is the Snowflake profile. It fits enterprise organizations that demand infrastructure flexibility and teams with 24/7 workloads who need granular control over their compute costs. Remember, both of these platforms are highly capable. Choosing the wrong one won't stop you from analyzing your data. It will, however, create years of avoidable engineering friction and wasted budget. Choose the architecture that matches the actual reality of your organization.